Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll talk about my favorite hair product, and I hope that you will find this video useful. By the way, if you like my content, please consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is the same as my YouTube account, which is black and gold style. And let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. And if you like my content, please consider checking out my other playlists. I have posted quite a few videos about luxury shopping, jewelry, Chanel bags, Dior, weekly vlogs, travel vlogs, style and fashion, and beauty products. And a small disclaimer before I begin, this video is not sponsored. All the products were purchased with my own money. I'm simply recommending what works the best for me. And before I move on to products, I wanted to talk about this shower head that I discovered for myself. In the past, I used to have allergy from the water, from the chlorine, and I would just get a horrible irritation. I felt like I have eczema, and after using this shower head, my skin has improved and also my hair stopped dropping. There are many products out there, but I tried this one and I'm very happy with it. I'm gonna find this product and leave the link in the description box for you guys in case you want to check it out. And moving on to my favorite product, which is called Continuum. Basically, this product helps to revive chemically damaged hair. If you bleach or highlight your hair tends to become thinner and break a lot, and this product helps to revive the hair. Basically, I use it every time I finish washing my hair. I just apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that my hair feels so soft. It doesn't even feel like I have ever highlighted it. I really like it. Next up is my favorite shampoo that I started using this year properly. In the past, my hair used to look brassy. It used to have this horrible warm tone that I really disliked, and this shampoo just helped me to get rid of it. Basically, I just went to hair salon and my hairstylist was shocked by how bad my hair looks, and he just used the shampoo, and after that my hair looked amazing. So I asked him what was this product and I purchased it, and I have been using it ever since. Usually when I used to highlight my hair, they would stay pretty for like about 2 to 3 weeks, and then they would start turning more yellow, which I couldn't stand. And this is how the shampoo looks inside. That's why it's called purple shampoo. It's actually purple inside. So I quite like the shade now, and I haven't highlighted my hair for over 2 months now, and it still looks okay. This would never happen if I just kept the color the way it is. I will try to find it and link it down in the description box below for you guys. I will try to find every single product that I feature in this video. Moving on to these Kerastase products that I absolutely love. They're the best if you bleach or highlight, or even if you dye your hair. They just make it so much easier for you to brush your hair. While Continuum is my favorite product, but if I can't find that product, I use this mask. I basically would apply it for 10 minutes and then I would rinse it. I try to not to apply it on my roots though, just in case. I prefer to apply it on my ends and the middle of the hair. Actually, I don't like to apply many products on my roots unless they can help to increase volume, because otherwise they will just make my hair looking flat. I don't like to do that, and that's the advice my hairstylist gave me, and so far it works. By the way, this mask is not a leave-in mask. You have to wash off the product from your hair. And after that, I would start using another product that has become absolutely essential for me. I just can't live without this one. Not only it makes it easier for me to brush my hair, it also protects my hair from frizziness, and also it protects my hair from the heat. I usually use a hair styler or a blow dryer, and it's perfect for my hair. And I noticed since I started using this product, I started getting less split ends, which is perfect. And the other product that I also like that is similar to this one, I usually use one or another. They are basically the same thing. One is just a spray and another one is more like a cream. You have to apply it. It's a leave-in conditioner, which I like a lot. Basically, I just would apply it on my wet hair. It would be so much easier to brush my hair, and then I would start blow drying them. One thing to note, I don't recommend applying too much of this product. You only need to spray it a few times and you will be able to brush your hair easily. If you apply too much, it's just not gonna make it better. It will only make your hair look greasy, which I don't recommend. And the last but not the least is this Olaplex No. 3 product. If you do partial highlights of your hair like myself, or if you bleach entire hair, this product is essential. It really helps quite a lot. I'm gonna finish the bottle very soon. I probably need to order some more of this. I use this product at least twice a week, and it makes a huge difference. I basically apply it on my wet hair and I wait for a few hours. I watched a few review videos where YouTubers were saying that they leave it overnight. I wouldn't recommend to do that because it can damage your roots. Once the product dries, it hardens, and if you move around at night, it can actually damage the roots quite a lot. So that's why I don't do that. I also tried other range by Olaplex. They were okay. I will show you the ones that I tried, but I'm not particularly impressed by them. I think that the previous products by Kerastase are a lot better. I tried this conditioner. It made my hair flat. I didn't like that at all. And I also tried the leave-in conditioner that helped me to brush my hair. It's not too bad, but then again, I would rather use Kerastase for that purpose. I think at some point I would have to use it up because it's a new bottle and I don't like to waste it, but yeah, now I know what works the best for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video useful. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below, and please consider subscribing to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and follow me on Instagram. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!